You develop a swabhav. You develop the swabhav we have is due to our purva karma. Swabhav means the combination of your karma and your guna. Guna and karma is your swabhav. It's how you think, it's how you see, it's how you move, it's how you desire. Swabhav. So swabhav is shaped. Your swabhav is shaped by your present day thinking. It's not going to be with you, but the fruits of your meditation are given to you in your next life. Chapter 8 of Bhagavad Gita, verse 6. Yam yam vapi sran bhavam tyajit yanti kalevaram tam tam evaiti kontaya sadat tad bhava bhavitaha. That swabhav, that we're cultivating and meditating on in this life, that will be given in the next life. So we're thinking, yes, I love Vrindavan, I love Brijvasis, I love their language, I love the Brijvasis songs about Krishna, and I love the way they do any kind of thing externally to maintain their families, but their hearts are full of love for Giriraj Baba, and their hearts are full of love for Radharani. This is Brijvasis. They have families and they work and they cry and they fight, but they love Radha and Krishna. And you see whenever there's an utsav or a festival that their true nature, their transcendental nature manifests.